Today's our grammar is going to be very easy. It's all about how I say that these things or I want to add things. What are the words that I use to add things? Now I know that you're familiar, maybe you're familiar with them. Other, others, and another. Okay. Now the first thing that we're going to start with is other and others. First of all, we're going to start with other, and please pay attention. If you have your book and you have your highlights or something, highlight the words that I'm going to underline now. Other is a word that I can use in two ways. I can use it as an adjective, صفة, before a plural noun. Make sure that it's plural because then we're going to take singular. To mean what? Additional, يعني بالإضافة, or further. Okay, so I can use it as an adjective. For example, I need someone to read the example, please. Who can read the example? Just read it. Many scientists. يلا سمية.
هل صوتي واضح؟
Yes, we can hear you.
مثلا many scientists feel that global
Yes, global
معلمة
warming.
صوتي يصلكم؟
Yeah, we can hear you. Global warming.
مشكلة.
Yes, Sumaya.
Many scientists feel that global warming can be serviced other systems.
Yes. Other scientists, what?
شكل صوتي مو واضح.
Yes, disagree. Okay, thank you so much, Sumaya. So many scientists feel that global warming can be reversed. Other scientists disagree. Make sure here, Salis, can you see? Other scientists. I have other as an adjective and I added to what? To scientist. Scientist is singular or plural? Scientist.
Plural.
Yes, it's plural. That's why it's very important. If I know that this word أحيانا في الاختبار يكون هنا فراغ. So you should know if you see the noun is plural مباشرة الخيار الأول هو other. Okay? And it means other scientists يعني العلماء آخرين. Okay, if I want to use others, others can be used as what? As a pronoun, ضمير, that stand on its own. And also it means additional or other persons or things. For example, the same example, he said it, but instead of using other, he used others. How? Many scientists feel that global warming can be reversed. Others disagree. انظري إلى الذي بدله. Instead of saying other scientists, he said only others with S, which means what? Other scientists. لكن أنا لا أريد أن أقول other scientists وأعيد كلمة scientists مرتين في الجملة. خلاص قلت ماذا؟ others. وothers هذه ترجع لماذا؟ to many scientists. Okay? Okay. طيب. Now in your notebook, I need you to write with me. Going to start. So the first one was other. I use other. Both of them means in addition. So other plus what? Other plus plural noun.
Plural.
Yes, plural noun. If I want to use it as an adjective, thank you, Yaqeen. If I want to use it as an adjective, I will use it as others. Okay, so other plural. So, طيب. I need someone to give me an example, Salis. Any kind of example that you have. We're going to do the same thing as in the book. Do you have an example? Okay, I will give you an example and then you tell me. I don't like, I hope you're writing with me. I don't like those dresses. Full stop. And then I'm going to ask a question. Do you have other what dresses? You see, dresses is plural. That's why I'm going to use it. Yes, Manar, do you have an example?
Yes.
Yes, please.
Many people prefer winter over summer, but
Many
other people,
just a minute. Many people prefer winter over summer.
but many people, no, other people
But other people, very good. People is plural. Okay, so that's why Manar used other. So other people,
prefer
we can say simply, but other people are not.
winter.
So many people prefer winter over summer, but other people are not, which means they don't prefer winter over summer. Very good. Thank you so much, Manar. Okay. طيب. If I want now, let's write about others. Now I have others as what? As a pronoun, not as an adjective.
Teacher,
Yes, honey.
isn't it supposed to be do not, but other people do not?
Yes, 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 you're right. I'm sorry. Yes, yes, Dana, thank you. So instead of writing are not, yes, other people do not. Thank you so much. My mistake. So let's write it here. Other people do not. Let me change the color. Here. Okay, thank you so much, Dana. So if I want to use pronoun, I want to use others, it's going to be as a pronoun. Let's write an example here. Who can give me an example? We can use the same example, Salis. The same one here. I don't like those dresses. Do you have other dresses? Now use it with others. How are you going to use it with others? Huh, Salis? It's very easy. The same example. يلا جمانة. يلا.
I don't like those dresses. Do you have others dress?
Do you have? Yes.
Others dress?
طيب فكري بothers. هل أضفتها لشيء هنا؟ Others disagree. هل أضفتها لشيء هنا أم فقط كانت others وبعدها الفعل؟ هل others تضاف؟ Yes. طيب هل أضفتها لشيء؟
No, just.
Yes, very good. So I would say, I don't like those dresses. Do you have what? فقط أقول
dresses?
ماذا? Do you have what?
Do you have other?
Yes, others. Do you have others? لماذا يا جماعة؟ لأنه هنا others ترجع ل those dresses. Okay, that's why I'm going to say others.
Okay.
Very good. Thank you so much. The same example, Manar's example, we're going to say it again using others. يلا ليلاس.
Can I say like it's me?
Say it again, please. I couldn't hear you.
Can I say like I don't prefer summer, but others do?
Yes, of course you can say I don't prefer summer, but others do. When I say others, I mean people, other people. So I don't prefer summer, but others do. Very good, all of you. Okay, can you please write this down on your notebook or take a screenshot so we can move on? Okay, done? Can I erase it?
No, teacher.
Okay.
Okay, finish.
Okay, thank you. طيب, now we're going to move on to another. Now pay attention about another. We said that other, I use it with plural nouns, and others can be alone, but another, I use it with what? As an adjective and also as a pronoun. Underline this in your notebook. Another, I use it with singular nouns only. Singular nouns only. Okay, if I want to use, this is number one. We said that I use another as an adjective and as a pronoun. Number one, if I want to use it as an adjective. Number two, if I want to use it as a pronoun. If I want to use it as an adjective, also it means another thing. It means in addition, يعني بالإضافة. Okay? I can say, for example, I know you want to go to Mexico on vacation, but I have another idea. Idea is singular or plural?
Singular.
Singular.
Singular, yes. Pay attention to that question. You might have a question in the exam like this. I will make this as a blank, and I will give you options. Is it another, is it other, or others? Others تعرفين أنها مستحيل تضاف لشيء. خلاص هي خارج الخيار. بقي لديك another و other. Okay. Other مباشرة تعرفين أنها لازم ما بعدها النون يكون plural. هل هذا النون plural? No. Is it singular? Yes. Then I will use another. Okay. If I want, this is if I want to use it as an adjective. لأني أنا أضفتها الآن لكلمة. هذا معنى لما أنا أقول الكلمة أستخدمها as an adjective يعني أنا أضيفها. طيب, if it was as a pronoun يعني لوحدها تكون مثل others. Also it means in addition. For example, I would say, that was a good cup of coffee. I think I will have another. وخلاص وقفت الجملة. لماذا وقفت؟ لأن أنا استخدمتها as a pronoun. ضمير. خلاص ضمير لوحده. ما استخدمتها على أنها adjective and I have to add it to another noun. No, I use it as a pronoun. طيب, another here refers to what? I'm talking about another what?
Cup of coffee.
Yes, thank you, Manar. I'm talking about good cup of coffee. That's why. And a good cup of coffee is singular also. So that's why
Teacher.
I'm using. Yes, Yaqib.
Why I don't use other type?
Why I cannot use other?
Yes.
Other, I don't use it like this because it cannot be as a pronoun. If I want to use other as a pronoun, I should add an S. It should be others, okay? But here, I'm talking about one thing only. Others is I can use it as a pronoun, okay? Just like another. But I should pay attention to the thing that I'm going to refer to. Here, Yaqeen, I'm referring to one cup of coffee. Okay, so I want to say that I want to have another cup of coffee. I can say I think I will have another. لماذا? Because I'm referring to something that is singular. And what is the word that I use if I want to add more? What is the word that I use if to mean I use with singular nouns only? I use another. Okay, but others, no. I use it if I refer to something or to refer to things that are plural. Clear?
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Okay, now here you have, here, as we said, another is only used with singular nouns. In your book, underline this, highlight it so you won't forget it. Now here, he gave you a note. If you're going to ask this question, don't confuse other and others and another with the pronouns each other. Do you know the meaning of each other and one another? Yes. So each other, they love each other, they do this to one another. Those things or those phrases, I don't mean them, when I use them, I don't mean another and other and others, the one that we just studied. No, those are inseparable phrases. Do you know the meaning of inseparable? It means that I cannot separate them from each other. They have to be together. Okay? So that's why, and they mean what? Mutual relationship. So I don't mean by them another or other or others. Okay, those are different things, phrases that are inseparable. ثالث, clear? Okay, طيب. Now, I need you to write this in your notebook. We're going to use another. If I want to use it as an adjective, I will say another plus the singular noun. Yalla, can someone give me an example, please? Using another as an adjective, not as a pronoun. Do you have any example? ثالث. It's very easy. I can say, can you please give me?
Can I say my sentence?
Yes, Yaqeen, do you have? Yes, please.
I'm not sure.
It's okay. It's okay. We're learning.
I like the eggs. I think eat another.
I think it's what?
Eat another.
Okay, I like those eggs, you mean?
Yes.
I think I will have another one. Okay, thank you so much, Yaqeen. So here, I like those eggs. I think I will have another one. Another example, please. I can say, can you please give me?
Another book.
Yes, thank you. We can say, can you please give me another pen or another book? Okay, if I want to use it as a pronoun, I want to use another as a pronoun. I will write another only. Now, can you please give me an example here? The example in the book was, that was a good cup of coffee. I think I will have another. So, ها ثالث. ها Lilas. Yes.
I'm not sure, but that's not enough sugar. Can I have another?
Enough sugar. Can I have another? I'm not sure. Can we try another sentence, Lilas? Because I'm not sure about sugar and if we can add another. I'm not sure about this. So maybe we can search about if we can use another when we refer to sugar. I want to search about this and then we're going to talk about it in the next class because I'm not very sure. Okay, thank you so much, Lilas. Yalla Raneem, do you have an example?
I didn't like the outfit I was wearing, so I picked another.
Very good. I didn't. Very good. Excellent. I didn't like the outfit that I was wearing, so I picked another. Very good. Thank you. Okay. Did you write this in your notebook? Did you take a screenshot, Salis?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, thank you, Dina. Okay, now we have the emphatic do. The emphatic do from the word emphatic is from the word what? Emphasize. When I want to emphasize something to make sure that you understand what I'm saying or to stress what I'm saying. Okay, so I will use the emphatic do. If we remember do, we use it as an auxiliary. In what? Negative questions, in negative sentences and in questions. Did you study? Do you study? Or I don't play outside, for example. So I use it in negative sentences and in questions. Okay? However, I can use the auxiliary do in what? Infinitive, before the infinitive in affirmative sentences to what? To add special emphasis only. This is the purpose. This is why I add do and does. For example, I can say, I do enjoy his company. Can you see? He does like to talk. The sentence can, or those two sentences can go without do and does. I can say, I enjoy his company. It's okay. I can say, he likes to talk. But I want to emphasize my sentence. I would say, I do enjoy his company. He does like to talk. Sometimes also, if you can see that in movies, they say what? They use the emphatic do to show a contrast between expectations and reality, which means someone says that you didn't do something and you're going to say, no, I did this thing. You're going to use the emphatic do. For example, you didn't call me yesterday. I did call you yesterday. You see? دائما حتى عندما يقولونها دائما يكون في ماذا? Emphasis in them. When I say it, I will say, I did call you yesterday. Right? Okay, Gela, give me examples. It's a very easy grammar. This is all about the emphatic do. We can have it as a conversation, student A and a student B. We can have it as sentences. Yalla Salih. Yes, Manar.
I do like summer.
Very good. I do like summer. Thank you so much. Someone will say that you don't like summer. So you just emphasize what you're saying and you're going to say, I do like summer. Hi, Salih. Maybe your mother will say, you didn't clean your room yesterday. So what your answer could be, Thalith, here, if you cleaned your room?
I did clean it.
Thank you so much, Lama. I did clean it, or I did clean my room. Very good. Another example. One more example. Yes, Thalith. Yalla Ragda.
You didn't eat.
You didn't eat. Oh, you
No, I did.
Yes. Okay. So you're going to make it as a conversation. You didn't eat your breakfast. We can say. Oh. And your answer to emphasize that you already take your breakfast by saying, I did eat my breakfast. Very good. Thank you, all of you. Can I erase this? You're done writing?
Yes.
Okay. Now in your book, if you can see, we have exercise A. It's about to complete the sentences using other, others, or another. It's a very easy exercise. Let's start with number 1. Who can do number 1? He says he's full of beef burgers. He says he could not eat. Yes, Lilas?
Another.
He could not eat another. Yes, we can say another, or also we can say others. Thank you so much. You can use that topic for your paper. I have a few in mind for my paper. It's very clear. I use a few only with what? Yalla Jumana.
Other.
Others.
Thank you. I have a few others in mind. Very good. They like their cat so much that they are talking about getting. We have kitten. Yes, Sumaya. Yes, Sumaya.
Another.
Yes, another. Very good. Another kitten. You can keep that pen. I have 2 or 3 pens in my backpack. Yes, Ya Ilaf.
Other.
Yes, other. Very good. Because I have pens and it's plural. There are 6 people in line ahead of us. 6 what, Ya Sarah?
Another.
People. People is singular or plural, Sarah?
Plural.
Yes, so you're going to use what?
Other.
Yes, other people. There are 6 other people. Very good. Excellent. Cover your mouth when you cough so that won't catch your cold. Who will catch the cold? Yeah. Yes, Ranim.
Others.
Yes, so that others won't catch your cold. I just recovered from a cold and already I'm getting, Other people, where are you? Yalla Lama.
Another.
Thank you. Another, because one is singular. That's why I'm using another one. Okay. Right. We're going to stop here because we don't have time now. Here, Talis, you're going to do exercise B and exercise C. So the next class, we're going to start with them. You're going here to complete the sentences by using other, others, and another. See the example here, and you will understand how to do the rest of the questions. And here you're going to add do, does, or did to the sentences. Just write the sentence again with the do, does, and did. Also here, you're going to match, and you're going to add do, does, and did. Okay? Do you have any questions?
No, thank you.
You're welcome, honey. Everything is clear?
Yes, thank you.
You're welcome.